1. Place the material and use fix the pattern. To use computer and CAM software to perform corresponding operations to determine the processing, positioning and debugging, combine solo movement to adjust the X, Y, and Z axis data. 3. Ensure the material is relatively level. If one side is high and the other side is low, make subtle adjustments. Use aluminum sheet or other material to pad and fix again, and reposition to ensure data accuracy. Then formal processing. According the material characteristics, hardness, and complexity of the engraved pattern will vary in processing time and speed. The video shows marble, a large amount of powder, will be generated during processing. Use a water pump or chiller to avoid possible dust during the process. Processing time is about 12 to 15 minutes. Thanks for your patience to wait for complete. Now clean up the water and waste. Finally, we can see the effect is pretty good. The content involved in a complete processing process has been demonstrated. Thanks for watching.